Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Claudia Albers, Planet X research and professional physicist. And today I'd like to bring to you another one of my articles. This one's entitled Sun Halos, Sophisticated Computer System Operating Sky Deception in 1500s. Now, figure 1 below shows a photograph sent in by Rob from Long Island of a sun halo in the sky on November 9, 2019. And as I showed in Article 1385 entitled Sun Halos Artificially Produce Rings in the Sky to Hide Planet X, these cannot be created by ice crystals, which is the accepted explanation, as ice crystals can never be aligned enough so that light exits at precisely the same angle from each, as in the case of water droplets that then lead to the creation of rainbows. These are, in fact, projected rings of light in the sky used to hide the presence of Planet X in the sky. The sun halo below is also darker on the inside. You can see it there. A characteristic which is seen in some sun halos and suggests that it is also produced artificially to further deceive the human eye from discerning what is in the sky. And the lightest circular outline, which you can see here, above the orange halo ring, is the ring there, and you can see this outline, the circular outline. You can see this is cloud here, and it's lighter than cloud out here. There seems to be a circular outline of cloud there. And this indicates that this is the real outer edge of the Planet X core's cloud envelope, the Planet X core that this ring is being used to hide. And this is a sun simulator. And that is, of course, indicated by this very well-defined lens flare, which always appears whenever a sun simulator is in the sky. Whenever the light source we are looking at is a sun simulator. And that's because they are projections on a concave mirror. And you may look at Article 866 for details on that. The fact that the background clouds are not affected by magnification indicates that this is not due to a lens in front of the sun simulator in the center, the presence of which, as I said, is indicated by that lens flare. The rings are drawn or projected in the sky, and this is confirmed by the painting below, which from 1535, you can see it here. And rings of different sizes were then being drawn. You can see some of them are not even complete. You can see that one starts there. And they didn't have any central light source, and they didn't produce any apparent change to the background. The background was the same. You can see this cloud continues from the outside to the inside. So it didn't affect the background, so there was no lens and there was no central light source, which shows that they are produced by separate devices. And so this, they were most likely developing and testing it at the time. That's why they were producing so many rings at the same time. And they must have added the darkness in the center as well as a central light source at a later stage. So this is the painting from 1535, which basically reported on the appearance of these rings in the sky. And you can see these points of brighter light. And these brighter points are sometimes seen at the horizontal, along the horizontal direction on either side of the central light source. So it would be here and here. But here they appear there, and there's another one there, and then another one there. So the brighter parts of the circle seem to be markers, which tell the projection system where to start and stop when producing a circle in the sky. That's why this one starts here, and you can follow it from there, and this one ends there. So they seem to be markers. Now, the drawing of these circles in the sky would imply the existence of a computer system which is controlling the production of such circles, as it requires detecting the Planet X cores computing what is seen from different points on the surface and drawing the circles as a result of what would be seen. And this requires complex algorithmic computations as well as control of the devices doing the light projection in the sky. So this then shows that a complex computer system was already in operation in the 16th century and operating machinery with the objective of deceiving the world's population with regard to the existence of Planet X. So in conclusion, sun halos can only be artificially produced in the sky through the use of complex algorithmic calculations and thus indicate the existence of a complex computer system in control of the deception being carried out in Earth's atmosphere in order to hide Planet X since at least the 16th century. And these are the references. This is Dr. Claudia Albers, Planet X physicist. Thank you for watching.